Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7 liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package, and has the nice DUALLY body style. You do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera with a nice Bedliner, tailgate step, got a bed camera as well, side bed steps as well, the DUALLY wheels, and moving to the front here we do get power-deployable running boards that will go up when you close your doors, mud flaps on the front, side view camera with trailer tow mirrors, blind spot detection, spotlight and turn light indicated, and moving to the front we got front park sensing, license plate bracket, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black perforated leathering, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, carpet interior, flat fold storage system, cup holders with heated back seats, USB-Cs, rear vents, 12 volt and 120 volt. And of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space, and you do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver seat and passenger with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. We got power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, spotlights, tailgate, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 38,245 kilometers. We do get this heated leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do have My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see on the vehicle ahead of me. Just limits your distractions, so you can keep your eyes on the road. You got gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got tons of storage, cup holders, you got 2 more if need be, wireless charging pad with some outlets, and it does close. Get your leather-up center console with tons of storage. You get a little light down there as well. Drive modes, rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive. Oh, and there's no rear locking diff. My bad. I was thinking of an F-150. Trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist. You got heated and cooled front seats. Dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Storage above and below. Storage right here as well. 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please. A nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and you do get a garage door transmitter. You got your media controls right there, engine brake, 360 view of the vehicle, and you can change the different camera angles. We're going to click into our bed camera. Pretty handy when you need to take a look at your goods. You got your sensing, hazards, traction, and hill. And looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls, navigation, your fave apps. I'm just going to edit it. So you have messaging, email, vehicle settings, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, will be right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC92444A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.